Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best dog toothpaste is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked aspects of maintaining your canine companion's overall health and well-being, playing a crucial role in preventing a myriad of dental issues that can lead to more serious systemic problems if left unaddressed, ensuring your furry friend enjoys a lifetime of happy smiles and comfortable chewing. Number 5. Arm & Hammer Complete Care Dog Toothpaste. Introducing Arm & Hammer Complete Care Dog Toothpaste, the ultimate solution for your dog's oral hygiene. This toothpaste is specially formulated to keep their smile healthy and bright. Harnessing the power of enzymes, it effectively tackles plaque and tartar buildup. This ensures a thorough clean that reaches every corner of your dog's mouth. Infused with baking soda and calcium, it strengthens teeth and neutralizes odors. These key ingredients work together to promote overall dental health. Say goodbye to bad breath. This toothpaste leaves your dog's mouth feeling fresh and clean. Enjoy closer moments with your furry friend. It's fluoride-free, making it safe for your pet. Plus, the chicken flavor is a hit with dogs, making brushing time a breeze. This value-sized tube ensures you have plenty of product for consistent dental care. Keep your dog's teeth healthy and strong for longer. What we like. This toothpaste harnesses the power of enzymes and baking soda for effective cleaning. If your dog is a picky eater or you're looking for a familiar flavor, this chicken-flavored option is a great choice. It's designed to tackle plaque, tartar, and freshen breath, making it a comprehensive solution for daily dental care. What people say. The toothpaste has a palatable flavor that dogs enjoy, making the brushing process easier. It effectively removes plaque and tartar buildup, promoting better dental hygiene for dogs. The toothpaste contains natural ingredients that are safe for dogs to ingest. Number 4. Petsmile Professional Pet Toothpaste, London Broil. Discover the revolutionary way to care for your pet's dental health. Petsmile Professional Pet Toothpaste offers a delicious London Broil flavor that your furry friends will love. Our toothpaste is VIWIK accepted and powered by Calprox, ensuring effective and safe dental care. It's the trusted choice for pet owners. Say goodbye to plaque and tartar buildup. This advanced formula actively fights against these common dental issues, promoting healthier gums. Not only does it clean, but it also helps to remineralize and whiten your pet's teeth. Achieve a brighter, healthier smile for your beloved companion. The best part? No brushing is required. Simply add it to their routine for a complete dental clean without the hassle. Each 4.2-ounce tube provides a generous 6-month supply, making it an economical and convenient choice for maintaining your pet's oral hygiene. What we like. This innovative toothpaste offers a no-brush solution for pet dental care, powered by Calprox. If you struggle with brushing your pet's teeth or are looking for a way to whiten and remineralize their teeth without the hassle, this is the product for you. It's a convenient, long-lasting option for maintaining excellent oral health. What people say. This toothpaste is specifically designed for dogs, making it a safe and effective option for their dental hygiene. The Enzymatic formula helps to break down plaque and tartar, promoting healthier gums and fresher breath for your canine companion. It comes with a finger brush and a regular toothbrush, offering versatility in how you clean your dog's teeth. Number 3. VIWIK 4-Pack Pet Toothbrush Kit. Introducing the VIWIK 4-Pack Pet Toothbrush Kit, an essential toolkit for maintaining your pet's dental hygiene. With 4 high-quality toothbrushes in every pack, you can keep your furry friend's teeth sparkling clean. Made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, these toothbrushes are completely safe for your pet. The soft bristles are gentle on their gums, ensuring a comfortable brushing experience while effectively cleaning hard-to-reach areas. This kit comes in 4 vibrant colors designed to capture your pet's attention and make brushing fun. The finger sleeves are easy to use and fit most finger sizes, turning dental care into an enjoyable routine. This versatile toothbrush set is suitable for various pets, including medium to large dogs and puppies. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your pet's oral health, whether at home or on the go. Designed to be lightweight and compact, these toothbrushes are incredibly convenient to carry. You can easily fit them in your pocket or bag, ensuring your pet never misses their dental hygiene routine, even while traveling. Looking for a thoughtful Christmas gift for a dog lover? This practical and stylish toothbrush set is a great choice for maintaining their pet's oral health and overall well-being. What we like. This kit provides a set of silicone finger toothbrushes designed for gentle yet effective cleaning. If you prefer a hands-on approach to your pet's dental hygiene or have a medium to large dog who needs a comfortable brushing experience, these are ideal. The soft bristles and easy-to-use design make maintaining oral health more accessible and less stressful for both you and your pet. What people say. This toothpaste is specifically designed for dogs, making it safe and effective for their oral hygiene. The toothpaste has a palatable flavor that dogs generally enjoy, which helps in making the brushing process easier. Regular use of this toothpaste can help reduce plaque and tartar buildup, promoting healthier gums and fresher breath for your dog. Number 2. Vet's Best Enzymatic Dog Toothpaste. Introducing our vet-formulated dental gel, designed for your dog's oral health. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a healthy mouth. Say goodbye to bad breath. This toothpaste helps to freshen your dog's breath, making every interaction more enjoyable. Effectively combat tartar and plaque buildup with our powerful formula. Keep their teeth clean and healthy with regular use. Ensure your dog's overall oral hygiene is in top condition. This gel supports a healthy mouth and prevents common dental issues. Our toothpaste is easy to apply and safe for your canine companion. Make dental care a simple part of their routine. This convenient 3.5-ounce size provides ample dental care for your furry friend. It's a great value for maintaining their smile. What we like. This vet-formulated enzymatic gel is specifically designed for comprehensive dental cleaning and tartar control. If your primary concern is fighting tartar buildup and ensuring your dog has fresh breath, this option is a top contender. It's a reliable choice for pet owners seeking professional-grade dental care at home. What people say. The toothpaste has a great flavor that my dog loves, making brushing easier. It effectively removes plaque and tartar, leaving my dog's teeth cleaner and breath fresher. The paste is easy to apply and doesn't require rinsing, which is convenient for busy pet owners. Number 1. Arm & Hammer Tartar Control Dog Toothpaste. Introducing our advanced dental solution for your canine companion. It's specifically formulated to combat plaque and tartar buildup, promoting healthier gums. Harnessing the power of enzymes, this toothpaste actively works to break down stubborn tartar. It ensures a thorough clean for your dog's teeth. Infused with the natural cleaning power of baking soda, it gently cleans and freshens your dog's breath. Experience the difference of a naturally effective formula. Our formula is safe and effective for dogs of all ages and breeds, including puppies. You can trust it for your furry family members' oral hygiene. Even picky eaters will love the irresistible beef flavor. Brushing their teeth will become a treat, making dental care a breeze. Beyond just cleaning teeth, it actively supports gum health. A healthy mouth contributes to your dog's overall well-being. What we like. This toothpaste is specifically formulated to combat tartar buildup, infused with baking soda for enhanced cleaning. If reducing plaque and tartar is your main goal, and your dog enjoys a beef flavor, this is an excellent choice. It's suitable for all dogs and puppies, offering a targeted solution for common dental issues. What people say. This toothpaste is specifically designed for dogs, making it safe and effective for their oral hygiene. The enzymatic formula helps to break down plaque and tartar, promoting healthier gums and fresher breath in dogs. It comes in a palatable flavor that most dogs enjoy, making the brushing experience easier for both pet and owner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.